This is all these power sports. So we did a squish test yesterday on a TRX, and we had a heck of a time getting to kick over. I had to switch positions and put my weight on it to get it to go top dead and back. So what we came up with, this is the solder from the squish test. And we've got, well, if I move it around, sometimes I'll get down to 32 seconds. But you can, there's various ways to check it. And you try to get an average of what you're seeing. There's 31. Go this way, get 35 thousandths. Squish on this particular machine should be 40 thousandths, which is 1 millimeter. And if you switch to millimeters, you can see that it's 0.8 millimeters. Some engine builders go by millimeters, some engine builders go by inches. So I'm going to send this video to CT Racing so they can see what kind of squish I'm getting.